fast can you run? How far can you go? What will it take to reach your fitness goals? At Soul Fitness, we ask these questions every day. Because at Soul, we believe that the quality of the equipment affects the quality of the workout. So our engineers and designers constantly improve on timeless design to provide a complete treadmill line that has received consistent Best Buy reviews from consumers and review agencies alike over the past decade. To get started, simply pull the lever and the Easy Assist folding deck safely lowers in 2 stages, gently coming down from a secured upright position until it firmly rests on the floor. We've designed our treadmill with a double horseshoe frame for stability, and we've added oversized rollers and durable 2-ply belts to give them an unparalleled smooth feeling and longevity. And to provide plenty of running room, we've made the decks wider and longer for a safe and comfortable exercise area. Additionally, the Cushion Flex suspension system decreases the impact of the run by up to 40% on your joints. This system, coupled with our Whisper deck, makes for a comfortable and quiet workout. And with a more powerful motor, you can keep your workout going strong. At Soul, we've focused on the details, like a more informative LCD screen, which clearly displays the stats of your workout. Our treadmills also have convenient, easy-to-reach buttons with speed and incline adjustments right on the handrails to give you control where you need it during your workout, allowing you to adjust your speed up to 12 miles per hour and your incline up to 15%. And while running on incline, you can track your vertical feet climbed, in addition to speed and distance. It's extra motivation to keep you running further and climbing higher. All of our treadmills include audio inputs and integrated speakers, so you can listen to whatever music you choose while you exercise. Soul Fitness builds the finest treadmills available. We stand behind our treadmills with a lifetime warranty on the frame and motor, with additional warranties on the deck, electronics, and up to 2 years of labor. Soul treadmills provide unmatched value, quality, and longevity. Because your fitness matters. Soul Fitness, offering the finest cardiovascular equipment around.
exercise just became more inspiring than ever. Now it's personal, powerful, and totally connected thanks to Horizon's smart fitness technology. Connect all your devices at once with advanced Bluetooth. Stream your movies, your music, your classes, or whatever moves you through powerful integrated speakers. Monitor performance to stay on track for your goals. Keep your device fully charged. And with our free, no-subscription app, you can control your workout from your own device and push all your data to the most popular fitness apps. Personal, powerful, totally connected. Experience Horizon's smart fitness technology today